Hi, my name is Tony Bound and I'm here at Fraza headquarters. Here at Fraza, safety has been an important aspect of our business for decades. Safety of our employees and the safety of our partners' teams as well. As many of us spend time working on getting back up and running, we want you to know that we're here to support your business. Cleanliness and sanitation has been more important than ever during these times. Here at Fraza, we have a variety of services to be able to support you through those efforts. We want you to know that we've developed a new service to be able to support you. A safety and sanitation service to be able to help your teams get back to work. Today we have Paul Nagy here who's going to focus on demonstrating this new service for you.
Thank you, Tony. As many of us know, our truck's been sitting idle for some time now. Part of our service that we're going to be performing for you is a full safety checklist of your truck. We will be checking all the safety operations and the full functionality of your truck to make sure it's ready for operation when your drivers come back to work. At the end of our service, what we'll be doing is spraying the whole exterior of your truck with a sanitizer to make sure your trucks are nice and clean and ready for your drivers to come back.
Thank you for watching today. We know that with these services, your operators will come back feeling confident to be able to get back to work. Please contact us with any questions, and from our business to yours, please stay safe and healthy.